Django Queryset filtering by ISO week number. I have a model that contains day field. I'm trying to get query set of that model that contains current week, starts on Monday. So since Django day field contains simple day-timed date model, I assume to filter by using ISO calendar. Logically, it's exactly what I want without no extra comparisons and calculations by current weekday. So what I want to do essentially is force filter statement to behave in this logic. Yet how to write it inside filter statement? Filter model underscore underscore date underscore underscore ISO calendar equals date time date today. ISO calendar will give wrong results, same as comparing to today not this week. As digging true, this URL, I have not noticed any other weekday options. Note from documentation. Date ISO calendar, return a 3-tuple, ISO year, ISO week number, ISO weekday. Update. Although I disliked the solution of using ranges, yet it's the best option. However, in my case, I made a variable that marks the beginning of the week and just look greater or equal value because if I'm looking for a matches for current week. In case of giving the number of the week, it would require both ends. You're not going to be able to do this. Remember, it's not just an issue of what Python supports. Django has to communicate the filter to the database, and the database doesn't support such complex date calculations. You can use underscore underscore range, though, with a start date and end date.
Even simpler than using extract function that Amit mentioned in his answer is using underscore underscore week field lookup added in Django 1.11, so you can simply do
Extract week has been introduced in Django 1.11 for filtering based on ISO week number. For Django 1.10 and lower versions, following solution works for filtering by ISO number week on Postgres database. Now do query as follows.
This answer should only work for Postgres, but might work for other databases. A quick and elegant solution for this problem would be to define these two custom transformers. Now you can query by week like this. Behind the scenes, the Django date transform object uses the Postgres extract function, which supports week and ISO year.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.